In this video, I want to solve quadratic equation using completing the square. If we have, for example, x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0, the coefficient of x squared here, or e, is 1. So we could just go straight and rewrite this equation by saying x squared plus 4x equal to this coming over becomes plus 21. Now the coefficient of x is 4. So we'll divide it by 2 and say x squared plus 4 over 2 squared equals 21 plus 4 over 2 squared. So here we have x squared plus this is 2 squared equals 21 plus 2 squared. So here we have x squared plus 2 squared, which is, we can say x plus 2 all squared. X plus 2 all squared equals 21 plus here is 4. So what we have here is that x plus 2 all squared is equal to 25. Then only x plus 2 will be root 25. That's squaring both sides. Root 25. What it means is that x alone will now be equal to this coming over becomes minus 2 plus root 25, and root 25 is 5. So we say x is plus or minus 5. So if you say minus 2 plus 5 will give you 3, or minus 2 minus 5 will give you minus 7. So these are the two values. These are the two values of x, 3 and minus 7, because minus 2 plus 5 gives you 3. Minus 2 minus 5 gives you minus 7. If we look at another example, 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. So the first thing we need to do is, here the coefficient of a is 4, so we divide through by 4, so that we'll have, let's say, x squared, or let me say 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals 0, since all of them were dividing by 4. So we'll say all through over 4. Now what we'll have here will be 4 will cancel out here, only x squared will remain. 4 and 4, only x will remain. Here will still remain 3 over 4 equals 0. So if this crosses over, we'll have x squared plus x equals 3 over 4. So if we have that, the next thing we'll have is now that x, the coefficient here is 1. So we'll divide the 1 by 2. So x squared plus 1 over 2 all squared is equal to 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 all squared. So that what we have is x plus, here is 1 over 4, because 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So it's equal to 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. S squared here. So the next thing we'll now have is x plus 1 over 2 all squared is equal to, you over here we have, if we resolve, the common denominator is 1, 4 into here is 1, 1 times this 3 plus 1, 1. So what we have here is 4 over 4, which is 1. So over here is 1. So having that, what we'll now have is that x plus 1 over 2 will now be equal to root 1, which is also 1. So we'll have that x is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 1, or plus or minus 1. What we mean by plus or minus 1, we can do, if we have x equals minus this and this, we're going to get 1 over 2. If we do it minus, we're going to get minus 3 over 2.